Good afternoon, young men. So today we're going to look at conflict in the workplace, and it's important to know why this conflict arises and what causes it. I know that being in any environment where there are many different people with different ideas, conflict is always going to arise. One just needs to think within a family. If you have a sibling, you often don't agree on certain things because of the different opinions that you bring to the table. So I'm just going to list some of the conflicts that can take place in the workplace. There's a difference in backgrounds, cultures, values, beliefs, and even language. When I speak to you in Italian, you don't know what I'm saying. There's limited business resources. You may not have the right equipment to do your job. People have different goals or objectives, either for the group or individuals. Think of a rugby game. You may think it's best to go down the left-hand side and someone else thinks you should run through the middle. So those goals and objectives come into bringing conflict and tension. Personality differences between groups and individuals, different opinions, an unfair workload, especially if an employee feels like they're doing all the work and they're not getting paid as much as someone who's doing half of what they're doing. Ill-managed stress, so if you aren't looking after yourself and you just become more and more stressful. Unrealistic expectations, so when you're given a deadline that you know you can't meet, you're going to start building up the tension. Poor organization or leadership, confusion about scheduling or deadlines, ignoring rules and procedures, so some of you may follow the rules and others don't. You can quite easily see how conflict then arises. Poor communication skills, unclear responsibilities. I didn't realize it was my job. I didn't know I had to do that. A distraction because of personal issues that may be happening at home. Constant changes in the workplace also bring about a lot of tension. Unfair treatment of workers. I've seen it many times where people rally and support each other when they feel that someone is being treated unfairly. And lastly, a major cause of conflict in the workplace is a lack of trust amongst workers. So as an employee, if you are feeling aggrieved, as if someone has done something wrong to you, right? We call this a grievance. So that's when an employee is unhappy, has a problem or a complaint in the workplace. So it is a work-related issue that takes place in the workplace, and the employee now has a grievance against management. It's normally for things like discrimination, unfair treatment, poor working conditions. So it's from the bottom up. A conflict is a clash of opinions or ideas in the workplace. It's a disagreement between two or more parties. And I've just mentioned a whole lot of different reasons that could cause conflict. Have a great day.